I got this brush as a set of 3, with 2 being used for another video project. I noticed that though the brush works well in general, the bristles are on the softer side. I have an idea to make the bristles stiffer, after which I'll be testing the modified brush at the gym next. This third brush from my set of 3 that I mentioned is a sacrificial brush. It's not much of a loss if this project doesn't work out. If it does work though, I might be making the same modification to the other 2 brushes from the set. The mod I plan to do is to trim the length of the bristles shorter. The shorter length should make the bristles stiffer when brushing. I'm not exactly sure how stiff the bristles will become at the shorter length, so this could become trial and error. I needed a straight edge for trimming the bristles level, so I clamped the brush to my table saw fence. A plank of wood could also serve the same purpose. Trimming wasn't too hard to do. The shaver cut better when moving slow. Also, a little bit of a wiggle side to side helped the shaver cut more smoothly. Here's the completed brush. The straight edge really helped to get the bristles as level as possible. I don't think I could have done this good a job had I done it freehand. When running my fingers over the bristles, they do feel quite a bit stiffer now. I can't wait to see how this brush performs in comparison to the original one. In looking at the original brush cleaning a hold, you can see how the bristles collapse easily during brushing. The longer length of the bristles make it much easier for them to bend, potentially causing the brushing to be less effective. On the other hand, you can see that the modified brush with the shorter bristles is able to keep the tip of the bristles engaged in the brushing. This creates a better scrubbing effect, which I feel would do a better job at loosening the chalk from the hold. After confirming to myself that these shorter bristles do seem to work better, I'll probably cut my other 2 brushes to the same shorter length. This was a simple and informative experiment that I'm glad worked out for me. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section down below. That's all I have for now, and I will catch you in the next video.